Hello, my name is Kellen, and I am here once again to talk about the supplement that has provided great benefits for the knee joint. But before we begin, I want to invite you to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. Joint Restoration Gummies are the best knee candy available in the form of a dietary supplement that helps to completely improve knee and joint health. Since most joint pain occurs due to inflammation, these gummies target the root cause of pain and completely heal the knees. With the help of several scientists, this supplement was released into the market to help people like you and me, who believe that supplements are better than surgery when they are completely natural and free of side effects. You simply need to take one Joint Restore Gummies every day and see some results in 30 days. Simply chew a strawberry-flavored gummy and enjoy the goodness of several natural ingredients. When you chew a gummy, the ingredients start working immediately when they enter your digestive system. Their job is to stop the aggravated inflammatory response. Normally, inflammation should help your body heal itself, but due to overuse of medications and other crap, our bodies have begun to damage the inflammatory responses. The spectator effect, a state where inflammation cannot treat the problem because your body is making it worse, is treated by joint restoration gums. This helps to heal joint conditions and make them faster in terms of movement and flexibility. Once chronic inflammation is treated, many diseases like arthritis or osteoarthritis can also be resolved. This is how Boswellia and CBD Joint Restoration Gummies treat your knees. Joint Restoration Gummies help reduce knee pain in a few doses. It eliminates knee and joint problems in 1 or 2 months. Helps treat arthritis, osteoarthritis, joint problems, and joint mobility. Joint Restoration Gums help you become more flexible. Reduces pain and improves your condition, helps reduce inflammation and treats chronic inflammation. Takes care of bone nutrition to maintain bone density. Joint Restore Gummies reduce joint friction and reduce swelling and redness in the affected knee area. Each gummies contains many excellent ingredients in equal amounts such as full-spectrum CBD, Boswellia serrata extract, vitamin D, calcium, iron, potassium. Joint Restoration Gummies can work better than most joint and knee medications because it is a dietary supplement. It does not come in heavy doses and is easily absorbed by the body. It gives results in a month and treats your knee problems in just a few weeks. Joint Restore Gummies is suitable for all adults. You should use the supplement for at least 3 months to see proper results. Consult a doctor before taking Joint Restore Gummies if you have any other existing medical condition. You should take it regularly to get the benefits. The manufacturer provides a 100% money-back guarantee on 60 days use if you do not see any results. Hope you enjoyed our explainer video. Now don't forget to leave your like and share. The official website sales link is in the video description. See you next video. Thank you.